the daily life of a blonde, my sister.
First we play catch.
How do you throw this?
Then we mow the lawn.
Alexa, let's mow the lawn.
I'll go get scissors.
Oh my gosh. Every time we mow the lawn, you don't use scissors, you use a lawnmower. Why do I have such a stupid sister? Oh my God.
Then we bake a cake for our mom.
Alexa, I need you to go beat the eggs for the cake.
Yay, I'm looking at my baseball bat. Those eggs are gonna get beat up.
Oh my gosh. Every time. When are you gonna learn? This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
I'm going inside. This is ridiculous.
Then we play hide and go seek.
Okay, you can come and find me. It's been like 10 minutes. What, Alexa? Where are you going? What? Are you? Oh my God.
Then we go golfing.
Alexa, let's go get our golf clubs.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a hole in one every time. She's gonna get smoked like a prairie dog.
Let's go.
You do realize you have a baseball bat.
So,
You need a golfing club. It's golf, not baseball.
let's go.
Then we go for a ride in our car.
Alexa, get in the car. Let's go for a ride.
Come on.
I am not getting that thing. Where'd you get that anyways?
On eBay for $100,000.
You paid $100,000 for that?
It came out of your wallet.
Does it even run?
No. But I painted it black, kind of.
You are one of the stupidest people I've ever met.
Then Alexa goes hunting.
That's our dog, you fool. Oh my gosh. Every time.